So this is the Road King, the infamous Road King that I've always heard about. Never gotten to ride one. This is going to be my first time. It's not a bad looking bike. It's definitely not a style of bike that I would look at and be like, ooh, that's cool, let's go ride on one. But it's not a bad looking bike. Ooh, it's a little far for me. Ooh. All right. It's got a throaty noise to it, that's for sure. All right. So I'm a little nervous, to be honest, to ride with this because it's a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. And so, however, with that said, it's a bit more comfortable or easy to control than I thought it was going to be honest. Now the clutch I'm having to kind of do with a whole hand. At least when I'm sitting at lights. That I almost dropped it. That was close. Woo. Wow, this thing is smooth. Oh my word. Woo. Now I know why people like this thing, because it's smooth. I think we lost some people back there. The brakes are a little squishy. Man. Woo. Man, this thing sounds sick, bro. I wouldn't be opposed to getting one. However, it's just because I'm small, I don't know if it's like the best bike for me. I'm just not used to the gear pedal being way up there, because I mean it's way up there, so I keep putting my foot back and I gotta remember to keep it up front. But now that I remember that, it's not so bad anymore. I can actually click it up into gear when I need to. Yeah, this thing you could definitely go on a road trip with. I mean, I'm not feeling a whole bunch of wind. This whole big old windshield is blocking all that. And the seat's comfortable. It's got a lip on it, so you're not slipping out of the seat. And I mean, yeah, it's comfortable. Definitely a bike I could not be opposed to perhaps maybe having. Because, you know, I never was a Harley guy, you know? I never liked these types of bikes. However, now after riding one, I see the appeal of it for sure. Just cruising, going out for a ride, definitely can see the appeal of it now, for sure. The clutch, though, is something, it's kind of a harder clutch. The poundage on the clutch is a little tougher. Well, it doesn't have a good enough range on the first gear, though. You got to shift pretty quick, so that kind of sucks. Woo! Can't get over that noise, though. Man, I don't know what gear I'm in. I don't know if you can tell, to be honest. Well, this was a fun ride, though. I like this. I just can't get it into gear, dude. And the back seat's real comfortable. I now know why the ladies like to chill on the back. It's pretty comfortable.
You what now?
I see the appeal of those now. They're really comfortable.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're taking a long ride, man. You're like really comfortable.
Oh yeah. Very comfortable. Very nice.
All day long.
You ready to trade that thing in?
Not yet.
He just wants to keep it and get another one.
If I did switch it out, I'd have to get the Pan Am though. Pan Am's my favorite.
Oh, you get the Pan Am, okay.
Yeah.
Did you demo
You hadn't even ridden that yet.
I haven't even ridden that one yet. No.
Put it in sport.